My name is Yong Miao T and my metric number is 287062. Today, we are going to discuss about the global warming issue. So what is global warming? Global warming is the unusual increase of temperature in global surface due to greenhouse effect which caused by carbon dioxide and the other pollutants. The main causes of global warming is burning fossil fuels. Every day, we burning oil, coal, and natural gas in order to generate power and energy, but at the same time, we also release the carbon dioxide gas that can increase the global temperature. Oil and gas is used all the time in almost every industry. It is used the most in vehicles, buildings, production, and to produce electricity. When we burn coal, oil, and gases, it largely adds to the climate problem. The use of fossil fuels is also a threat to wildlife and the surrounding environment. Because of the toxicity, it kills all plants. The second reason is deforestation. Deforestation is cleanliness of the forest. We all know that plants take in carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen to balance the environment. If we cutting down all the trees, the quantity of carbon dioxide will be increased. The next reason is wasting products. A lot of item, waste and packaging isn't recyclable, which means it ends up in landfills. When the waste in landfill begin to decompose and break down, it releases harmful gases into the atmosphere, which contribute to global warming. Besides, the oil drilling process is also one of the reasons of global warming, because when the process of oil drilling, it will release a lot of carbon dioxide gas into the atmosphere, which contributes to the climate change. The next reason is the uses of aerosols. Some of the example products of aerosol is lubricants, cleaning agents, personal hygiene products, and food products. Although these products have been banned in many countries, but they are still in wide use. These products are loaded with greenhouse gases, which including carbon dioxide and methane, which can corrode the ozone layer. So, to conclude, the global warming has become a grave problem which needs undivided attention. It is not happening because of single cause but several causes. These causes are both natural and man-made. The natural causes include the release of greenhouse gases which are not able to escape from the earth and causing the temperature to increase. And the excessive use of automobiles and fossil fuels result in increased level of carbon dioxide. In addition, activities like mining are very harmful to the environment. One of the most common issues that are taking place rapidly is deforestation. So, one of the biggest sources of absorption of carbon dioxide will only disappear. There will be nothing left to regulate the gas. Thus, it will result in global warming. Steps must be taken immediately to stop the global warming and make the Earth better again. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azina binti Osman. My matric number is 28C838. There are countless causes of global warming, one of which is uncontrolled human activity in this world. This is due to the fact that we frequently see human activities such as forest exploration and shifting cultivation. They burn agricultural areas to make organic fertilizer, and they open new farms in other areas to get more agricultural produce. However, the combustion has indirectly caused heat to be trapped in the air, causing the temperature to rise. Industrial activity is a major contributor to the phenomenon of global warming. The burning of fossil fuels, such as gas and coal, to power machine and machinery has resulted in the release of numerous greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide gas. Construction industry, iron production, fabric production, food production, electrical and electronic material production, and building material production are all examples of industries that use a lot of fossil fuels. The more carbon dioxide gas produced, the more heat is trapped by the gas layer, raising global air temperatures.
Buildings have a big impact on the environment. The construction and renovation of buildings uses precious natural resources. Then, when in use, buildings are responsible for a significant proportion of all our carbon dioxide emissions. Energy used in the construction and use of our homes and other buildings accounts for around half of the UK's total carbon dioxide emissions.
Meanwhile, there are still other factors that contribute to the global warming, such as skyscraper construction. The magnificent tall buildings in the big city like Kuala Lumpur actually have a negative impact on our planet. This is due to the fact that sun reflection through a building glass can cause heat to accumulate in the atmosphere. In this way, society should not take it easy by chasing all currents of development while negatively impacting other life. As a result, it is clear that the imbalance of human exploitation of the Earth's resources is a contributing factor to the occurrence of global warming. Open burning is also a contributor to global warming on our planet. Individuals who are irresponsible have committed numerous open burnings. Carbon dioxide gas is produced and released into the atmosphere as a result of these activities and trapping heat. As a result, the government should tighten the law so that they do not dare to do anything wrong on this world. A number of factors, including the haze problem that frequently infect the world, will be reduced.
Air is supposed to be free, okay, and it's supposed to be clean. We are not even getting that privilege in here.
So you're talking about lots of land being set fire to every year.